When did the YouTube start? Did the YouTube thing started? The YouTube channel, Smart Contract Programmer. Can you tell us? It was like during the job, after the job, before?
Yeah. After this job, after this startup closed, I was forced into freelancing, and I felt like I needed some way to market myself. So I just started teaching Solidity and whatever stuff that I knew on YouTube.
That's cool. So it's actually very useful to market yourself, to create like valuable content. This is one of the reasons that I also started my YouTube channel. There are a lot of other advantages that I see for that. Probably you see the same advantages. For me, one is when I teach something, I understand it better. That this is one. Another one is that it pushes me to explore new topics and to learn more because I want to create a video around it. So I want to explore it further. And also, like you said, it creates name for yourself. You create some kind of brand. You know, everyone knows who is Smart Contract Programmer. A lot of people know who is JohnnyTime's. So it helps to create this brand around you, and then you can leverage this brand to get a job, to get freelance jobs, to create products like courses, like your product that you have, to
Right.
learn smart contract development. Yeah, so it's just pluses. That's why I advocate anyone to start creating content. It could be video in video form, articles, tweets, whatever, you know, whatever you're good at.
Right.
I really like public speaking and teaching. I do it for many years. So for me, it was the obvious thing to do. And funny thing, my YouTube channel started as DeFi education. I didn't get into smart contract security only later, but in 2020, I got really into DeFi and I wanted to explain people how different protocols work, how to use different DeFi dApps, what happens behind the scenes in the smart contract when you approve a contract, when you stake tokens. So this was the idea behind my channel initially. And obviously, when DeFi became a bit boring and a lot of things happen in DeFi, I shifted my focus towards smart contract security and cybersecurity in blockchain.